Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the voice assistant now, open settings, and go straight to accessibility or apps where assistant controls live. Tap to enable the assistant and grant microphone access plus location if needed, because the assistant uses those sensors to understand context. Once done, set your wake phrase and language so the system recognizes you reliably. This first step gives the phone permission and a trigger. Without it, you cannot proceed to full hands-free control. Next, you customize how the assistant responds, open voice or assistant settings, and train the voice model by repeating sample phrases so accuracy improves. Create custom shortcuts and routines for frequent tasks. For example, map a phrase to open navigation or send a text. This saves time and reduces errors. Also adjust wake word sensitivity and recognition timeout to avoid false triggers or cutoffs. Make sure to test commands aloud and refine phrasing for quicker, consistent results. Finally, use voice control in real tasks. Speak clearly, start with a wake phrase, then give short, direct commands like send message to Sam or navigate home. If the assistant fails, restart the assistant app or reboot your phone to clear temporary glitches. Make sure microphone permissions remain granted, and if problems persist, retrain or reset the voice model because stale samples often degrade accuracy. One key troubleshooting tip: ambient noise can break recognition. Move to a quieter spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.